is your shark vacuum roller brush starts and then stops. It can be because of clogged brush, damaged belt, or overheated motor. So in this video, we'll show how to troubleshoot for every reason so that your shark vacuum again starts working smoothly. Here we go. Reason number 1: clogged brush roll. This is a frequent culprit. Hair, string, and debris can wrap around the brush, stopping it from spinning freely. Here's how to fix it. Turn off the vacuum completely and unplug it for safety. Detach the shark vacuum brush roll by accessing the roller brush switch or quick release button. Use scissors to carefully cut away any tangled hair or debris. You can also use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove any stubborn debris. Wipe down the brush roll and the brush compartment with a damp cloth to remove any remaining dust or dirt. Let the brush roll air dry completely before reassembling the vacuum. Reason number 2: damaged belt. Belts can wear out over time, causing the brush to lose power and eventually stop spinning. Here's how to fix it. Press the Shark Navigator Lift Away button and pull the handle to detach the vacuum body. Flip over the base to reach the bottom of the vacuum. Remove the wheels using a metal spudger. Use a screwdriver to remove all the 9/16 mm screws from the vacuum. Unscrew the 13.5 mm screws. Remove the cover. Squeeze the pin and pull up to remove the base wire. Remove the 2 screws to open the cover of the brush roll plate. Pull out the Shark vacuum brush roll, followed by the broken belt. Place the new drive belt. Attach all the screws and components back into place. Ensure every part of the vacuum cleaner is completely attached, as before. Switch it on and check if the problem is solved. Reason number 3: overheated motor. Clogged brush rolls or blockages in shark rollers often lead to overheating the shark vacuum cleaners. If the motor gets heated up, it will cut out thanks to the motor protective thermostat to avoid further damage. Hence, the shark rotator brush roll will stop spinning. Here's how to fix it. Unplug and switch off the machine. Empty the dust cup. Use water to clean the filter. Remove the floor nozzle for shark vacuums that use HEPA filters and clean it thoroughly. Ensure that the shark vacuum brush roller doesn't have blockages. Leave the machine switched off for at least 45 minutes to cool down. Reassemble the parts correctly and start the vacuum. Check out our detailed guide in the description for bonus tips on how to maintain your shark vacuum. Found the video helpful? Do like and share. Happy cleaning!